Oh, hey, you guys are here. How's it going?
Well, of course they're here, man. It's time for the Setpower Fridge 7-month update.
Oh, yeah. Don't worry, dude. Have faith in me. I'll take care of it. I got this.
Okay, I guess he's got this. All right, what's up, everyone? My name's Phil, and if you've been following the channel, you know I've been on the road for over 5 years, and the first year on the road, I was in a big Dodge full-size Cummins with a custom camper box. We called that the Dodge Mahal. That truck was big enough to fit a big dual zone fridge. I think like 100 quart I had in that, 105 quart. And I love that truck, but I wanted to build something more capable. Enter the Mobicon. So I knew that when I was gonna try to live out of a Jeep Gladiator, a mid-sized truck, I probably had to give up a few of the full-size amenities. And one of those was the dual zone fridge, or at least for a few years, until Setpower came out with this 45 quart dual zone fridge. And this is the smallest dual zone I've ever seen, and when I first got it, I was so stoked about that. So stoked on this fridge, and I'm still super stoked. Also, it is Black Friday, so if you're looking for a fridge and you plan on leaving this video before you know that this isn't the fridge for you, I'd reconsider. You might want to check out the link below for the Black Friday deals. You can get 30% off site-wide, and with using code DOWNTOMOB, you can get not 8, not 10, but 12% off. So check the links below for that. All the fridges I've had since I've been on the road, they've been on 24/7 because it's my only fridge. So this has been on 24/7 for 7 months straight through 13 different states, starting from Arizona all the way to Pennsylvania, where we are right now. And it has performed great. So in this video, we're gonna give you an update on the fridge, but also how I've been using it to eat more healthy. The dual zone could go either way. Having a freezer, you could get frozen foods, and you guys saw in some of my previous videos about the Setpower fridge how I was enjoying carrying around ice cream and frozen meals. You guys want ice cream?
I do
want popsicle?
Popsicle.
Yes. Or ice cream?
No ice cream.
Okay, all right. Here, follow me into the Setpower dual zone fridge area, and we've got some variety here. Let's see what we got. We got vanilla caramel. Well, I've changed my ways. I've chosen to start using a lot more raw ingredients. We're gonna talk about that in this video. And also, I am going to whip out this Setpower insulated cover that we just got for the fridge, which will help it maintain its temps, and hopefully the compressor will run less and it'll just draw less power. So we're gonna pull the fridge out, and then we're gonna throw this bad boy on. So you'll see the two compartments. Again, this is a 45 liter. They do have a 55 and I believe a 35 as well. So the majority of the time I've been using this side as the freezer. Now I have made both compartments a fridge. So let's show you what we got inside of them. We've got the left side is all kind of sensitive items that can get crushed. So like sauces, dips, cheeses, things like that. And we got some yogurt there. We got raw garlic. We got cheese. You know, ketchup for burgers, butter, stuff like that. This is all the small stuff that could like get crushed and explode. Check this out. We've got strawberries, raspberries. We're gonna make smoothies with those. We've got 3 burgers in here. Down there, we've got another thing of chili, bag of salad, some milk, some egg whites, and then some other stuff underneath there. We got carrots and macaroni and cheese. So yeah, look at this though. I love this system and the Setpower fridge. It's really deep, and I've had times in the past where I'm like, I don't know what I have, I'm losing stuff. But this is the way to go. I've got it so much better organized now. Look at that. Oh, I'm excited to try these beers too. They're 10.6%, and look at the label. They weren't cheap either, but I don't know. I'm drinking less and just like more quality stuff these days. But yeah, this fridge is working awesome. I've been keeping like honey next to it. Oh, I forgot I had this corn. I gotta eat some rice down there. Oh, and then check this out. I'll link this below. This is a new blender from Ninja. Look at that. So I'm gonna use this to eat healthier too. Probably get some protein powder. I've got some mushroom powder, and then we'll put the strawberries and raspberries in this and make some smoothies on the trip. What trip, you ask? I'm already on a full-time camping trip. Well, I'm going on a 5-day overland trip with Mountain State Overland, all through West Virginia, the backcountry roads, and I'm super stoked for it. But I've got to get some food prepped for the trip. Jeez, I think I just chopped up way too much onion. All right, we've got potatoes diced up. Our onions are pretty much done. So we're gonna put onions, peppers, and potatoes all in this one big dish and scoop out as we need. And then we'll do up our potatoes there, bud. I do enjoy cooking. I'm saving money, I'm eating healthier. People say that eating healthier costs more money. I disagree. Buying raw ingredients, this whole bag of onions. I chopped 3, there's still 4 left. There's 7 onions in here for $1.60 or some crap. Okay, check this out. I just grilled up a burger in that garlic, and look at this. We've got the burger over here, just has some meat. It wasn't ideal, like chicken would be better. But anyways, I didn't buy chicken for some reason. Onions, potatoes, and peppers. So we'll just scoop all this, be able to make breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever we want with these raw ingredients already cooked. And they'll be ready in the fridge. Scoop them in the pan and just reheat them real quick at camp. We're making a burger, aren't we, Codes? We got some onions and peppers there, or jalapenos and onions. Codes, what do you think? Been a fun trip, huh? We've seen some amazing stuff here so far. It's been awesome. This is the most epic wheeling I've done on the East Coast. Wow. That's kind of intense. That's kind of intense. Woo! All right, our burger's gone. We're checking back with our Setpower fridge. We're gonna use our Ninja here. So check this out. We've got all of our stuff here. Oh, you don't want to be dropping that. Luckily, it's really strong. Anyways, we've got all this food saved for later, but I'm looking for, there we go. We're gonna make a smoothie with raspberries and strawberries. And we can put all this stuff aside and move it around one-handed as I film it all and stumble. But yeah, check that out. Cool, right? These cases make things super convenient, and they are a great way to organize the Setpower fridge. Also, it's nice to have all the little controls right here. We do have battery protection on it, which is nice. So that just means that if and when your battery were to get too low to run the fridge would shut off. All right, we just put strawberries and all that, and some yogurt. Putting them right in there with the greens. My burger's done. Oh yeah, look, got a nice sesame seed bun for it. Okay. Look at that. Some jalapenos on there. Sesame seed bun. Oh, they're scoping the route. I literally just put this little side trail smoothie together, and we're gonna blend it right now. Look at that. All right, should probably get in.
What's happening? Sorry, I was blending my smoothie.
Delicious. I even put mushroom powder in here. So good. And some protein mix. This thing's awesome. This is gonna change my life. I'm gonna be so much more healthy with this and with my Setpower fridge. And I am tempted to go back to freezer for the small one just to get frozen fruits because that might be easy.
Coach, quit licking yourself.
And after thinking about it a lot, I'm gonna convert this left side back to a freezer. 2 reasons I'm gonna do that. The number 1 reason is I'm gonna buy pineapple, banana, strawberries. I've already got all that stuff, but I'm gonna freeze it right away, or I'm gonna buy them frozen even. And then that'll make my smoothies a lot better. They've been cold, but not really cold enough. And then also raw meat and things like that that I wanna preserve longer, and leftovers. So let's pull the fridge out and put this new insulated cover on. This is just tied down with some simple tie down straps to my goose gear platform on these little hooks here, and then it's free, and it's been staying put great. If anything, I need to go and tighten these every once in a while, but it's been working awesome. And it's still lightweight. Woo! Alright, let's see how it goes. Wow, look at that. Just kidding, it wasn't quite that easy. So let's get it back in there. I just read the instructions that say that you're supposed to unzip it completely, put the fridge on it, and then fold it up. That sounds a lot easier than what I did, but you know, I just kind of weaseled it in there and that worked great too. Got it all plugged in, strapped down. Check this out. This is my little mushroom blend that I put in my smoothies. I can fit that right there. I can fit my spoon to scoop honey and peanut butter for smoothies. So yeah, kind of neat. Like, these little pockets, I like them, and then I can put honey, go throw this cardboard away. Well, thank you guys for watching another one. Coda Girl, come on out, take a little break. Comment what you thought of it down below. Hit the like if you enjoyed the video. If you're interested in supporting the channel and also getting a ton of benefits like exclusive content, access to my private camp spot map, exclusive merchandise, private campouts, and chances to connect one-on-one with me, check out my Patreon at patreon.com/downtomob. Hope you guys are having a great day, and I really appreciate you watching another one. Happy Thanksgiving, happy holidays. I'm thankful for you and that you follow my channel and think that I'm worth watching. Appreciate you. Hope you're having a great Thanksgiving. But thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another one, Adventures from the East Coast. If you are down to mob. I'm pretty sure you are. We'll see ya.